Holy mud, right? Wow, what happened here? I'm standing in what was a pond not that long ago. It was a pond in the middle of the Beaver River, and that pond was created by an old dam. In December 2023, this pond finally got high enough that it washed that old dam away, plus the beaver dam that was on top of it sent the whole thing downstream, and the water disappeared like that. So, disaster, right? No, not a disaster. Amazing opportunity to find out exactly what happens when you remove a dam from a river or a stream here in Rhode Island. How does the river behave over time? Does it move? Does it shift? How long does it take the vegetation to come back? We know there are zillions of seeds here in the muck. We're going to put some resources together, some partners to track all of that. Rhode Island DEM will help us track the fish population. This should be great news for wild trout and the cold water invertebrates that they depend on and that the migratory songbirds depend on. We'll have botanists to check the vegetation, and we're working with Joe Morel, who is at Rhode Island Image. He's providing some drone photography, so we get a baseline for what this whole area looks like, and we'll be able to track it seasonally and year over year. So, great opportunity. I can't wait to find out what happens next. Stay tuned.